Camp Nou continues its steady journey toward a new era, and the transformation is impossible to ignore. From active work in Gol Sur to key structures taking shape around the corners, progress is moving step by step. Lamas, pillars, cranes, and prefabricated stands are slowly coming together across the stadium. Stay with me as we walk through the latest updates shaping the future home of FC Barcelona. The Gol Sur area is buzzing with activity. Several elevated platforms are working along the black beams, applying protective paint and preparing anchor points for the lamas. Multiple platforms are operating near the stair structures, with workers actively installing anchor points and panels. The movement here is constant, showing steady progress as each section of the structure comes together. Inside the corner, metal panels are mostly installed. Some anchor points are still pending, but additional panels are staged and ready to be lifted. Crews are focused on this zone to ensure the corner sections advance without delay. The crane is now active in the corner area, lifting and positioning new lamas. Teams are carefully placing them, and this zone is seeing visible transformation day by day. The process is smooth despite recent rainy days. The lateral zone is progressing steadily. Lamas are being installed along the sides and stair structures are being completed section by section. The teams are maintaining a good rhythm, keeping this area on track for near completion. The third pillar for the compression ring is prepared, and the radial beam is in position. These large structures take time, but the teams are methodical and advancing steadily toward full assembly. The parking ramp has been concreted and leveled, providing clear access. Trucks are continuously bringing new lamas to the site, keeping installation moving efficiently and supporting the progress in both the corner and lateral areas. The central lateral area already has a number of lamas staged and ready to hang. Work has started at the Gol Sur corner, and multiple sectors are prepared for installation. The lateral section is nearly complete, though gaps between sectors and the staircase front still need attention. Another pillar for the compression ring is staged to the left, awaiting the yellow lifting structures. The radial beam nearby is impressive and currently has workers performing installation tasks. The corner area is shaping up slowly. The large pieces require careful handling. The pillar remains in place and could be lifted today, tomorrow, or Saturday, since no matches are scheduled this weekend. Several pallets and boxes are staged upstairs, while many glass panels are already installed along the lateral section. The slope of the corner is clear, with supports rising gradually. Workers are moving through the overhangs, and a crane and aerial platform are active. Pallets and components, including stair structures, are staged. Some areas are quiet, but preparations for installation are ongoing. A new prefabricated stand is being lifted near the diamond area with the tower crane. Supports for lamas are staged below and ready. Connections on lower beams are not installed yet, but all materials are prepared. Some pieces are intended for stair structures. No active work is happening currently, but installation is ready to begin. Large chrome tubes have been installed along the corner, with more stacked below. Prefabricated stands continue to be lifted, and stair structures are reportedly complete. Some stands still need installation, but progress is steady. The tribuna section is calm, cleared after match days. Equipment such as counterweight trailers, mechanical stairs, and platforms are present. Minor painting and concrete work continues with some machinery idle. At the shop's diamond area, large ventilation pieces and pallets of glass are staged. Once work resumes, glass installation is expected to move quickly. Platforms and supports are in place, though active work is minimal. Large pallets and green pieces are staged, ready for installation. Preparations for the next construction phases are clear. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Camp Nou progress.